Well, good morning guys, and welcome to this beautiful spring morning here in the UK. It really is a beautiful day. I really love this time of year. All the blossom comes out on the tree, as you can see behind me. All the new leaves are coming on the trees. So yeah, it really is a beautiful day. It's my day off today, so I thought what I'd do is shoot a little quick video. I'm going to have a little scout around my local area, see how much ferrous metals I can pick up in my car, and then at the end of the video we'll take it all to the scrapyard and weigh it all in and see how much money I make. So yeah, let's go do that guys. Let's have a quick look around here, see how beautiful this area is. See all the cherry blossoms starting to come over there. Yeah, and this tree really is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So there you go guys, let's go and do it. Let's go and fill this car, this one here, full of metal, and see how much money we can make at the scrapyard. So here's our first ferrous metal find of the day. A heavy old single radiator. Oh, it's quite heavy actually. So that's great. Let's see how much of this we can collect in one day. Ah, nice bit of steel. Oh, nice heavy steel as well, that's good. There you go, every bit helps. Lovely. So, nice couple of heavy radiators, perfect. So what we got here then? A bit of steel. Steel. Well, we're starting to mount up already. We haven't been going for very long. That's great. On to the next one. A bit of aluminium, old ladder and an old ironing board. We'll stick that in the car now. Great. Well, that's not much, but every little helps, as they say. Oh, come on. There it is. Ah, so just over there, I spy a if I can zoom in on it, I spy a combi boiler. So I think I'm going to go and knock on their door and ask them if I can have it. Well, there's no one in, so I think we'll just call back later when there is somebody in. I don't want to just take it, it's on someone's property, so we'll call back later. No scrap run would be complete without the obligatory stair gate. They seem to be everywhere, these things. I don't know why people buy them. I think they just buy them so they can throw them away, maybe. I don't know. Well, there you go, guys. There's the motherload. That is a big, heavy lot of radiators. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit all that in my car, but you know, that's going to pretty much fill me up now. I'm not going to be able to carry any more. It's going to be too heavy for my car. So let's get that in the car now. Well, just look at that. We've collected all that in what, 2.5 hours. I don't think my car will take any more on the springs, so let's get this to the scrapyard and see how much money I make. So here I am, guys, at my local scrapyard. Sorry, it's very noisy here, guys. So what I'm going to do now is just put the phone down, unload all this metal, and then we'll go and see how much. I've already been on the weighbridge. We'll go and see how much I got paid for the metal. So let's get that done now. So there we are, we've unloaded. Now it's back on the weighbridge. Oh, somebody else coming on there. We'll have to wait our turn. So there we are, we've unloaded, we're back on the weighbridge now. So the chap will just reweigh my car again, and then we'll find out how much leeway we made from our metal. from our efforts, should I say. So there we are, guys. I'm back at home now. I decided to come home and show you all this because it was very noisy at the scrapyard and I couldn't hear myself think. So how did we do? So let's have a look. Oh, by the way, guys, I've been looking back through some of the video that I've put up today, and I went out this morning without my belt on my trousers, on my jeans. And in the video, you'll see me constantly putting up my trousers and flashing my butt to you. I do apologise about that, but you know, I'm sure you've all seen a butt before. But anyway, get back to this. So, how much did we do? So, in kilos, we had 360 kilos. Quite a lot. I don't know what that is in pounds. That's 2.2 pounds per kilo. So I'm guessing that's around about 700 and something pounds in weight. So yeah, quite a lot. I'm surprised my my car springs took that. But yeah, how much did we make in money? £55 and 50 pence. I'm really pleased with that. £55 and 50 pence. I mean, I was expecting around about £30, but you know, I worked for about it was about 2.5 hours of collecting. It was about half an hour to get to the scrapyard, unload and get back home again. So in total about 3 hours, £55 and 50 pence, you know, what's that? It's around about £18 an hour. So, you know, for 3 hours of work, can't go wrong, can you? So I'm really pleased with that. I'll just pick up my phone in a minute and just show you this document, just so you can see for yourself how much I made. But yeah, very pleased, very pleased indeed. So let's do that now. Let's show you this document. So I'm hoping my phone is going to focus on this document properly. Let's have a look. Let's go in slowly here. So there, where does it say? So there it says 360 kilos. And there you can see I made £55 and 50 pence. So I'm really pleased with that. So that's great, very good, very pleased with that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, it will help me grow. Whatever you're doing in life, guys, be very careful, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.